Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclohexane is there. You have two methyl groups trans to each other and you have one tertiary butyl group. You have to find the most stable conformation of the compound. Here the answer lies in the stability of the positions. Here axial and equatorial positions are there. Normally the axial positions are less stable than equatorial due to the steric effect. And you have tertiary butyl group, highly strained group. It is called logging group because it locks the structure, it never comes in axial. So you have two possibility because the methyl should be trans to each other. You can write tertiary butyl in axial, tertiary butyl in equatorial. Tertiary butyl never comes axial because of extreme bulkiness. So our answer is both methyl groups should be in axial. The concept you have to learn here is locking group. Locking group is the bulky group there. Bulky group decide the whole structure stability. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.